Hey everyone, it's Amy Pinkston, your pink bag lady. One of the things that I love to talk about the most is becoming a 31 consultant. I think that it was one of the best decisions that I've ever made over 9 years ago, and so I would love to share some of the information about joining and the top 5 questions that I get asked about becoming a 31 consultant. So if you guys have any questions, I want to make sure that you comment below and I'll get those answered. You can also contact me and I would be happy to talk to you more about becoming a 31 consultant. But let's get started with question number 1. So what I get asked the most is, if I sign up, do I have to sell? No, you do not have to sell, but I'm going to tell you, you are going to want to sell. 1, it is so easy, and 2, it is so much fun. So I started over 9 years ago thinking I just wanted to make like $200 extra a month, and I quickly learned that that was so doable and that it was so much fun. So no, if you purchase a kit, you do not have to sell. You can just grab the kit. We actually call those kit nappers, but I'm gonna tell you, there are so many things that you can get once you start off and start your business and have your launch party. So I want to make sure that I talk to you a little bit about that, and I'll cover that in these next 4 questions, okay? But no, you do not have to sell if you purchase a kit, okay? All right, question number 2. Are there any fees or any hidden fees? All right, this one's easy. The only fee that you have is your enrollment kit fee. So you have the option of purchasing one of 3 enrollment kits. The first kit is our basic kit, and it is $59. Our second kit is our signature kit. It is $99. And our third kit is our ultimate kit. It is $179. Now with each one of these kits, you are getting a major discount on these 31 products, major. You are getting anywhere from $400 worth of products to $700 worth of products. It just really depends on what kit you choose. You also are able to pick your prints in the kit. You get to pick which print you want that product in, and there's even some products that you get to personalize for free. So that is your cost. If you, as in number 1, decide not to sell, you still get to keep your kit. No one's gonna come and take that kit from you. So that is your initial fee. Now, are there any hidden fees? No hidden fees. I will say though that 31, if you choose, will charge $16.95 a month for you to have your own website and for them to do email marketing on your behalf. And I will tell you, it is so worth $16.95. Your website is amazing. You will have access to it almost immediately after you sign up. This is where all your customers and potential insiders, party hostesses, and teammates will go to place orders to learn more about you, and it just it makes it easy, and you don't have to create a website. You don't really have to do anything as far as the website goes. Now, the email marketing, such a huge, tremendous value. So 31 will send out emails on your behalf to your customers and market you and your business. So I will tell you, you can choose not to subscribe to the website and email marketing, but again, it is 100% worth the $16.95, and that's a tax write-off for your business. All right, third question is, how do I get paid and what do I get paid? Easy. So you will get paid starting off 25% of all of your sales. Now, as you begin to grow, if you become a leader, you can earn a 10% bonus, meaning that you will get 35% of everything that you sell. And you will also be able, as you grow your team, to get a small amount that you will receive based on your team sales, because you are helping lead and celebrate and encourage your team. So you will get a little bit of payback for that. So that is how much you get paid. Now, how often and how do you get paid? You can choose to get paid through a check or through direct deposit, and you get paid twice a month. When you sell anything on the 1st through the 15th of the month, you'll get paid on the 25th of that month for all of those sales in those first 15 days. Then on day 16 to the last day of the month, you will get paid for all of those sales on the 10th of the following month. And again, it can be check or direct deposit. So super easy, super simple. Now, you also get paid in some other ways with 31. We have incentives going all the time. As a new consultant, you have the opportunity to earn up to 5 free products in your first 90 days through our Jumpstart program, and I can give you more information on that if you would like to contact me. We often have many sales incentives. Right now we have a sales incentive for the 1st through the 15th of the month, and if we sell a certain amount, we're going to get a free product. So there's just always some kind of incentive, some way that you are getting paid back, whether it be discounted products, free products, training, you name it. There are multiple ways to get paid through 31. Okay, number 4, how do I sell? So what are the ways that you can sell? A lot of times people will say, do I have to have a home party? No, you do not have to have a home party. You do not have to go live on Facebook. You do not have to go live anywhere. It is up to you. You are the CEO of your business, and you decide how you work your business and how you party. So different ways that you can sell. You can simply just give your website out to friends and family, and they can go on there and place orders. You can have what's called a catalog party, where you distribute catalogs to your friends and family, and they place orders through that type of party. You can also have a Facebook party where people attend a little Facebook event, and then they place orders through your website. You can have a texting party. You can have a party for one. You can have, there's just so many different options on how you can actually party and sell with your friends and family and customers. All right. Now, the 5th and final question is there a monthly sales quota? Is there a certain amount that I have to purchase each month? All right, simple answer. You never have to purchase anything. You do not have to carry inventory. You do not have to do any of those things. You will have your kit products, and we encourage you to use your kit products so that you can, your friends and family can see you using those products and see how you love them and how great they are. But other than that, you don't have to purchase anything. You don't have to sell anything. Now, to be an active consultant, we ask that you have $200 worth of sales every rolling 3 months. So let's say that you signed up this month in April. All right, so in April you sold $50. In May you sold $100. So in June, to have that rolling $200, you would need to sell $50, because you would have the 50, 100, and 50. All right, so that would be your rolling $200. Now, if you don't sell $200 in a rolling 3-month period, you simply go inactive. Nothing happens to you. There's no penalties. You just are inactive. But you can reactivate at any time by collecting $200 worth of orders and submitting a $200 party. You're automatically a consultant again. You do not have to purchase a kit again. It's super simple. If you decide this is not for me and you just want to quit, you can do that. If you think, oh my goodness, this is 100% what I want to do, I want to go full force all in, you can sell as much as you want every month, and I encourage you to do that because that's how you get paid. So again, I've done this for over 9 years. I absolutely love it. I consider it fun and not a job. So if you are interested, if I've piqued your interest, if you have any questions, if you'd like to just talk more, I would love to set up a time to talk to you. You can contact me through Facebook Messenger. You can contact me through the comments below. You can contact me through any of the Google form links that I have in the description of this video. You can also contact me via phone, via email, via text. So I am here to answer all of your questions about 31, and I would also be here as your sponsor and your leader to help you make the most of your business and be as successful as you can be. And our team would help celebrate and encourage you along the way. So I would love to have you on my team as a 31 consultant. Please just let me know if I can help in any way. But if you're ready to join, you can click the link below and get started today. All right, as always, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. And if you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your pink bag lady.